안녕하세요. Your Korean partner 아루사예요. 이거 뭐예요? I have brought a thing today. 짜잔! 이거 뭐예요? 이거 뭔지 아세요? Do you know what this is? I'll let you know after the vocabulary lesson. Let's learn vocab on toiletries. 욕실 용품. 욕실 bathroom. 용품 things or products. 욕실 용품. 샴푸 샴푸. 머리를 감아요. 머리를 감아요. Okay, now let's go to 트리트먼트. 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 바디워시. 바디워시. 샤워해요. 몸을 씻어요. 비누. soap. 비누. 손을 씻어요. 손을 씻어요. 치약. 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 칫솔. 칫솔. Products to take care of teeth has T. The letter T, which means teeth. 이를 닦아요. 양치질을 해요. 바디로션. 바디로션. 바디로션을 발라요. 구강청결제. 구강청결제. 구강청결제로 입을 헹궈요. 입을 헹궈요. 휴지. 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 수건 or towel. What do you think? 뭘까요? This is for scrubbing off dead skin. 떼수건. 떼 means dead skin. 수건, towel. Soak your body in hot water with about 10 to 15 minutes. Then your dead skin is set to go, to be removed. Can you do this? But some people who are incapable of doing so, they can use this thing. Many Korean people go to 목욕탕, which is a public sauna, and they soak in the water with other people.
뜨거워요? 아닙니다.
All together, and then after they just rub off dead skin. And after removing all the dead skin, then just go out and get some cold drink. Oh, it couldn't be better than anything. That was like a regular Sunday activity for most of people. Rubbing off all over your body can be super tiring. So my sister goes to 목욕탕 and then she gets the service from the person who does the job for you. They remove all the dead skin all over your body. Of course, you have to be in your birthday suit in front of them. There's also 때밀이 machine, 때밀이 기계. Check it out. You sit on the stool and then lean against the stool. Some people have hairy arms and back, but then can you imagine what would happen? So I do not recommend 때밀이 to those people with lots of hair on the body. I have hairy arms. 팔에 털이 많아. Hair. 털. 털. My arms are not hairy. 나는 팔에 털이 없어. 털이 없어. I don't have or there isn't. I have a little hair on my arms. 팔에 털이 거의 없어. 거의 없어. Or 별로 없어. 별로 없어. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit 좋아요와 구독. 감사합니다. 안녕.